let me introduce our ground silo for you. Our ground silo has three parts. First part is silo top, and then silo body, and silo bottom. Ground silo, we have two types ground silo. One is full cone bottom ground silo, and we have cone bottom ground silo and flat bottom ground silo. Their difference is about the bottom is different. That is our model. I can show you how the ground silo working. First, check this. This is ground. This is elevator. The ground after harvest will go to dry. After drying, then go to pre-cleaner. This is a pre-cleaner for clean duct. The ground from this elevator go to the pre-cleaner. Go to pre-cleaner and then clean the ground. According to different clean equipment of materials, this type pre-cleaner is good at clean ground. This cleaner has long screen body, and good cleaning effect, fully enclosed frame, good steering and dust proof. Anyway, they also smaller power and high capacity, swift and reliable operation. So if you want to clean the duct, this cleaner is good at for clean duct and use for ground. After cleaning the ground, then the material will go to through this round tube, go to the second elevator. This is the second elevator. The second elevator will put the ground go to the feeding scraper. Feeding conveyor. This is a feeding conveyor. The feeding conveyor contact four size silo. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. From first one silo and connect to the fourth silo. When you feeding the ground, you can use one scraper, use one conveyor from to feeding the corn. When you open the conveyor, then the ground will go to go from this joint and go to ground silo inside. After this silo, the first one silo is full, then you can open another. You can open the conveyor and go to another silo. After the silo is full, then go to the third and the fourth silo. Anyway, like I just said, this silo is cone bottom. You can check that. This cone bottom silo bottom is easy for discharge. It's easy for discharge, but it's much expensive than flat bottom ground silo. So you can depends your requirement and then choose which one do you prefer like. check much closer with the model. You can check. Look at this cell. Uh, in the cell inside is the red line is for temperature measure system. Uh, when you can check the temperature on the computer control system, and this one is for discharge. Just now I told you the if you use cone bottom will much better for storage. But if you use flat bottom silo, don't worry. You can use this. This one can put the grain much cleaner for discharge. So if you use a flat bottom silo, it's okay. By the way, if you anyway, if, about cone bottom and flat bottom, when you choose which one you like, it also depends about your capacity. If your capacity is much bigger, we suggest you use this model, this type, because usually if one customer wants more than one set grain silo, 1,000, then we used to suggest you use flat bottom silo. But if you under 1,000, we often suggest you recommend you use this type grain silo. Um, mm, and when you use the silo, it's much convenient. You can use the silo by computer. On top of that, the silo has computer control system that allows you to control feeding and discharge. For feeding and discharge, and the gate also can use computer to control. And the gate opening and closing you can control by computer control system. By the way, when you think the temperature inside of the silo is too high, then the computer will tell you and turn on the ventilation system to keep the grain inside the silo is dry. So it's much easy to use the silo. Now I can show you some videos and pictures to show how the grain silo work. Look at the screen. This picture is grain silo picture. Look, this one is the silo body and the legs all galvanized. You can use at least 30 years. So don't worry about. So don't worry, you can use at least 30 years. This is silo top. Also, it's a silo project. And this project is located in China, Hubei province. Look, this machine is elevator. Elevator is completely with silo. Look at this one. This is round tube. The grain will from the elevator through round tube, then go to grain silo inside. You can check this there has two people. The people is our engineer. Engineer now is installation our ground silo now. So if you buy our ground silo, we can go to your country and our engineer will go to your country for installation the silo. This is a small ground silo for animal feed. So animal feed. If you have a animal factory, then maybe you need this type of ground silo. Look, it's too small. Maybe this like this type ground silo is about 10 tons to 100 tons. It's, it's much popular, much popular. 30 tons is much popular. Look, this project is a good project because this project is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tons ground silo. All is hot gas nest. The elevator tower and the elevator and the ground silo top, the body and legs. You can check that. This one is window ring. The window ring is using for uh, telephone area. If your country, if your silo will install near the sea, then if the project near the sea, then we suggest you use window ring. The window ring can protect the ground silo. Protect the ground silo. So you don't worry if there have typhoon. But usually if your project in Africa, people needn't use the window ring. This also is a animal feed silo. It's much popular in south area. This one is a project in China, Shanxi province. The capacity is 200 capacity for storage corn, storage maize. Look, this one is much different about the other pictures. You can compare this one. The legs. Can check this picture. This set of legs is steel. This picture legs the ground silo is steel, but this one legs is command. If you use command, it's much cheaper than you use steel. So, but also very safe. So you can consider about your money and choose which one you prefer like. This is for storage animal feed. The silo is about 100 capacity, not very big, 100, but it's many quality. This one is flat bottom green silo. Flat bottom green silo always have large capacity, and there is take the bottom. The bottom is command. It's use command, and this one is discharge. This one is for discharge. You discharge the green silo inside the green discharge. There is for feeding. The silo is very beautiful because it uses hot governance. This project is integrative in Nigeria. Nigeria process 200 and 50 tons, 2,500 tons. The customer storage coin after storage. This customer has a big farmer. After the grain harvest, he make his grain go to dry. After dry, then to cleaner to clean the duct. After clean the duct, the grain will go to the grain silo to storage. Storage is process grain silo. Totally is about 1,000. And he told us this, and he told us 1,000 is not enough for him, so maybe he will need more himself. Check. This one is his project. There is his workshop. This green salad is this one is our control system. You can use this control system to control the feeding, control discharge, and control the temperature and vegetation. Look at this picture. This one, if you want to go to the green silo inside, you can look. This is the second floor. The second floor we have a door. This door can the person can from the door go to the green silo inside to clean the green silo and check the green silo. And this is green silo leader. You can use this leader go to the green silo top. The yellow machine is grain dryer, and this one is grain silo. After drying the grain will go to silo. This is installation now. Haven't finished now. This picture. This grain silo now in our factory. If you visit China or go to our factory, maybe then you can look this silo. It's about 60 tons for store gas, coal. Our silo also can store paddy, wheat, rice. Now I can show you some videos about the green silo. You can check. silo is in transportation now. The worker, the worker is our engineer. The silo body plant is very heavy, so need 3 person to install this. Three size 300 gram silo. Behind it and it is 800 gram silo. This door, people can go inside the silo through this door.